Everyone stayed because they said, aren't you afraid? Aren't you afraid? Oh, it takes a bit of courage, a bit of willpower, and then you can do it. It took me 5 or 6 years before I made up my mind. I was missing all my teeth, almost all of them. I only had 3. I couldn't eat anymore. So I made up my mind and I felt good. That's it. A good doctor who listened to what my needs were, he assured me saying, look, the important thing is that I fall asleep. Afterwards, everything worked perfectly. And in fact, I didn't suffer at all because it's clear that what they did was right. The anesthesia they gave me, so everything went smoothly. I eat better, I feel better, and I digest really well. Even having a little bit of diabetes, just a small amount. Now I feel better. I eat everything, I don't hold back from anything, and the panoramic X-ray came back positive, everything's fine. See you in 6 months, that's what the young lady, the doctor said.